Is it time to try it yet? Yeah, go for it.
$1.
$1. Excuse me, I made fire. $1 that.
$1.
The ocean will provide soon. We can always explain how this works. You have to get the state park permit before you enter the park, right? So that's $25 for a 7-day pass or an annual for $45. And the OSV permit, there's a bunch of options. We got the overnight one, which is $110, which is good for a year. Look at this Krispy Kreme eater over here.
It's a good life.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. How long did it take for you to finish that? You also have to air down your tires. We got it down to 17 psi at each corner. The couple of things that are required to get the permit, as well as a shovel, a piece of wood that you can put under your jack, the jack itself, and a tow rope.
And we're off-roading a second time.
Oh yeah, finally made it. Look at that. Flamed. Check out this legit setup. Got the Jeep in the sand. Got the canopy out, ready to go. The Lexus out here doing its thing. We out here. It's nice. Doing Jeep things. Let's get cooking. Everything. Snacks? We waited out here for snacks?
You gotta do a toast.
Yeah.
Not too quick.
Oh, that's so good.
That's perfect.
Oh my god. So good. I wanted to compare the internal mic while at the beach with the wind noise with the two other mics I had here. But I have the Boya BYMM1 mic, right? And that's probably gonna be with the dead cat on top of it. But I also bought Saramonic one. So I wanted to see how it works in the wind. Let's do the internal mic first. I'm gonna be in this car, and I'm gonna walk outside in the wind. I'm gonna do it for each one of these. Let's go. From here, walking out. And you can hear a whole lot of noise. And this is about an arm's length away. Alright, we'll do it with the other mic. Okay, so this is with the Saramonic inside in a relatively quiet area. Let's walk outside. And once again, arm's length. Did it help out? Is it any better than the internals? Alright, let's go put on the Boya one. Alright, so this is the Boya one. It has the dead cat on it, so hopefully being outside in the wind is going to be way better. Ooh. Oh! He caught a fish. Running.
It should make a croaking sound. Like,
oh yeah, first catch of the day. That's how we do. Nice. That on the grill. Kill it. Kill it.
this is as fresh as you can get.
Yeah.
And you know what the secret is?
What?
After you do this, you just rinse it off in the ocean. A little bit of salt. That's all you need. Just a little bit. And some pepper. Rub that right into the cavity.
Oh man, it's like a Food Network show out here.
Right?
There you go, and that's it.
And lemon?
Some lemon and lemon.
And
Lemon zest out here.
Yes, just more. Don't be stingy. All right, keep going, keep going. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh.
How was it?
Oh my goodness.
How is it?
That was so good.
That was good. Look at this, straight from the Atlantic out here. This is so good. Oh man, we're gonna have to catch a couple more. That's it. Oh no. Next time. What are you trying to do?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Nothing. Adult thing.
Adult things?
Adult thing.
Sitting down in a camper chair and then trying to do a sandcastle. Is it working?
Don't judge me.
No judgment here. Ooh, aw.
What is wrong with that corner?
You know, Jeep just going through. It's nice. It's really nice out here. We would come here and do this again a lot, actually.
I think the whole thing about getting the permit
In the morning, would probably suggest getting the permits earlier during the year so that you can come out here whenever you kind of want, right? The overnight means that anytime, come on out unless there's 145 cars.